Hi guys. Got two big birds down here. I think they're falcons. I caught something to eat and it's tearing it apart, playing with it, throwing it, eating it. And I'm sorry that I don't have better zoom on this camera because it's the phone. But this guy, I mean, this is not something that you see very often, get to watch, much less from a few feet away. Whoa. Fence post rolled. Look at this beautiful creature. Oh my God. It's just ripping the flesh apart. These birds are so strong. Their talons and their jaw beaks. I mean, the side of their face sticks out with the jaw muscle they have. And those legs, you see them from the side, they're so thick. They're so wide. People going by and it has no concern other than its food. The other one's still sitting on the fence post over there. I guess they're not sharing. Maybe this one eats first. Man, I wish I had better zoom. This guy is amazing. And I'm so close to him, I can see him in detail right here in front of me, maybe 10 yards from me. But the phone camera is not doing a great job. But still, it's capturing it. I mean, this is one of the great things about technology these days is this camera is probably equal or better to the big boxes we used to carry around on our shoulders with stabilizers. And they have their limitations, obviously. But, oh my God, look at this. I didn't have to stop and set up a tripod and all this other thing. I just grabbed a fence post. And I'm leaning over a row of grass from the path here to be able to. I think it's a falcon. I'm not sure. There's another one on the fence post. See it by the house there? See the lattice part of the house fence?
Oh, yeah.
And it's eating something. He's been tearing it apart the whole time. I've been filming. It's been really interesting.
I was going to say, that's amazing.
Well, phone cameras are wonderful, but the zoom doesn't get me the detail I want. But I'm still being able to capture it. I was just talking to the audience about how amazing this technology is.
Yeah.
You know, what a beautiful setting too, with this barn in the background. You know, and we're in the middle of the city.
Yeah, we're blessed. Oh.
Good morning, ladies. Absolutely amazing, folks. Feel like I'm on Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. La la. For you who are too young to know what that is, that was the best nature photography out there for a long time. Wow. Come on, get on camera. Come on, get on camera. Wow. The wingspan when he flew just then. Come on, show us those wings again, baby. Come on. There he is. Wow. He's going over to the other one. Maybe that one will come eat now. Other one's still staying on the fence. All right, folks. Stanley Human. I love you. And I am out of here.